Hello everyone, let's see how to make some easy and cool hairstyles. So first we are making a braid from one side and joining some parts of hair to that braid and it's ready. Next we are making one pony and then inserting one ponytail into the another. Next we have made one ponytail and two braids on the two sides and then inserting it into the ponytail and it's ready. Next we are making a ponytail in this type and inserting another ponytail onto it and do it again and you can see how beautiful this style is looking and it is done. Next we are making a side ponytail and inserting it into itself and repeat it for two of them and then you can see we are making this design. At last we are gonna make two braids at both of the sides and then roll it out into a bun and you can see it looks so pretty. Next we are making a ponytail at the back and then we are twisting it around by inserting it into itself. Then we are making two braids both the sides and then folding it into buns as you can see and it's ready. Next we are making a side pony and then we are inserting it into itself and then we are taking the side hair and then inserting it and rolling it out. Next we have made a ponytail and then inserting a straw for the support and then we are twisting it around and making a cute braid as you can see how we are doing this and then just secure it with the rubber band and then it's ready. Next we have made a back ponytail and then we are making the braids on both of the sides and then folding the braid inwards and it's ready. Next we are making this cute bun by making a ponytail and then just securing the ponytail with bobby pins. Next we have made a pony and then we are making two braids on both of the sides as you can see and then folding it upwards and it's done. Next we have made a low ponytail and then we are making braid on the sides leaving some hair untied and then we are twisting it around as you can see and your bun is ready. Next we are making our low ponytail again and then we are just tying it around as you can see how we are doing it and then just we are folding the bun and it's ready. Next we are making two braids on both of the sides and inserting a stick for the support and then we are rolling it out into a bun. Next we are making a braid at the back in the middle and then we are making the remaining braids on the sides, roll them out into a bun and it's ready. Thanks for watching.